कुछ और फैंस के सवाल आए और एक ने ये पूछा है कि आपने हाल ही में कहा था कि बिग बॉस आप नहीं देखती, तो कोई खास रीजन है उसके पीछे?
um well actually जब मैं बिग बॉस घर से बाहर निकली,
हम्म।
um it is a very stressful place to live in for for so long.
करेक्ट।
And yes, I mean, when I came out I was definitely stronger, but uh, इतना इतने stress के बाद I didn't want to watch any more on screen, so मैं बाहर आई, I didn't even watch my episodes. And uske baad I never really got back to watching Big Boss. Especially now, I just feel there's too much violence in that show. When I say
या
violence, I mean this constant, people are even hitting each other, people are screaming. I don't know what the message is, what sort of message is going out there to the people. It's still a very popular show because people like to see something real.
या
And but it's not my kind of show. I like to watch stuff that keeps me calm and peaceful and has a positive effect effect on me. If I feel it's not helping my growth in any way, I just will not waste my time.
लेकिन जब आपने एग्जिट लिया था, ऑफ कोर्स फॉर पर्सनल रीजन था, काफी आपके फैंस शैटर्ड हो गए थे, तो दोबारा कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि मैं वापस, दे ऑल फेल्ट कि यू शुड गो बैक, या मे बी कोई और सीजन में?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। अब तो मैं जाऊंगी ही नहीं। नोबडी फॉलोज द रूल्स। मेरे
या
टाइम में वी हैड अ रूल बुक, वी हैड टू रीड इट, वी हैड टू फॉलो इट, वी रिस्पेक्टेड बिग बॉस। You know what I mean? People in there are just doing stuff to stand out.
ट्रू।
They are very insolent. They are कुछ भी बोलते रहते हैं अंदर. They're constantly fighting. They don't even respect Big Boss sometimes. So I don't know. I mean, our time was very different. I think ours was probably the last sane show. sane season, second
लेकिन
season.
लेकिन जो आपने ये जो बात की, अबाउट कि काफी लोग वहां पे नेगेटिविटी है, और इस सीजन में भी राहुल वैद्य ने भी घर छोड़ दिया था अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्ट्रेस लेवल पे ही।
अच्छा,
तो आपको लगता है कि एक्चुअली में वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब अंदर हो क्या ऐसा होता है कि लोग इतने स्ट्रेस आ जाते हैं?
आप जब लॉकडाउन में थे, how did you feel?
या फ्रस्ट्रेशन।
Yeah, because you were confined to one space. Imagine a place that was filled with cameras. You had no privacy. You don't have your phone. No sense. No other source of entertainment. You have situations being created for you inside, um, to push you out of your comfort zone and make you fight. You know what I mean?
या
So it's not a very nice situation to constantly be in, and it psychologically has an effect on you, on your mind. And जब मैं गई थी अंदर, I had no agenda. I had not planned कि मैं ये करूंगी, गेम खेलूंगी, TRP के लिए ये करूंगी, वो करूंगी. No. When I went into Big Boss house, I said yes 1 week before. So जब मैं अंदर गई, I didn't know what I was getting myself into. I did it for an experience. मैं गई अंदर and जब वो दरवाजा बंद हुआ मेरे पीछे, I realized, oh my God, मैंने क्या कर दिया अभी. And I'm a very private person, so it took me some time to get used to cameras in my, cameras everywhere, capturing every moment. I mean, like I said, everything in your life happens at the right time for a reason. Big Boss मेरी जिंदगी में, मेरे life में आया, I think at the right time. It gave me what I needed. I got paid very well. So everything kind of, worked out for the best for me. But I would not go back into that house.
बट कोई दोस्त है इस बार आपके?
विकास है, शायद, I think Vikas Gupta.
या
He was with me on Khatron Ke Khiladi as well.
हम्म।
So I know him. Ali also. And yeah, I mean, I'm not watching the show, so I really don't know what's happening.
Of course. तो ये 2.0 वर्जन ऑफ शमिता के लिए अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है? कौन सी मूवीज, कौन सी सीरीज, क्या ये OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम आपको बहुत सारी और भी शोज में देखेंगे?
Well, plan तो यही है. I want to do a lot more work.
Yes.
मैं इस बार चाहती नहीं हूँ कि इतना गैप रहे. एक रिलीज के बीच में, दूसरी रिलीज के बीच में, but yeah, I really want to do more work, so I'm hoping now OTT, I think this platform is giving us the opportunity to do a lot more work. And I've not signed anything new till now. I wanted Black Widows to come out, but I do have another release, The Tenant, which is a movie. I don't know when that's going to release though, and hopefully I'll sign something new and I'll start working again.
Wow, chalo, fingers crossed for that, and all the best, and thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much.
Take
bye
care.
Bye.